Hi, Sharon from Mad Paper Crush here. Today I just wanted to do a little video on a couple of new digitals that I have in my shop. This one is called Letters from Verona, and it is was inspired by the movie Letters to Juliet. I just thought it was such a fun movie, and I loved all the beautiful scenery in Italy, and so I thought it would be fun to do something that you could do a Valentine's journal or a rose theme journal. I've called it Letters from Verona. So this kit, the main kit here, has some fussy cut items. It has some little bits of ephemera, an actual map, an old map of Verona there from an old love letter. There's a little book page there. And then some stamps with some roses on. A cover page from like a playbill for Romeo and Juliet, just some little calling cards here, and 3 tabs and another little tag there. And then the journal kit has 12 full journal pages. So the first ones that I'm going to show you are kind of the background pages. So there's not a lot on these. These could be sort of the back sides of some of the pages that you might want to put on, or you could do collage on them, or cut them down, make them into envelopes, do any of that kind of thing. This one you can see has some real light roses on there with some handwriting. This is another background page with some lace detail in there. And then I have this one, which has an old pen and some ink there. And a collage page with all kinds of different ephemera and a picture of Verona here, a Colosseum in Verona. And then this one has some valentines, some postcard valentines on here with more roses. And then someone sitting at a desk with her little quill there, and some more ephemera on this side of this journal page. And then this one has a lot of collage in the back and some roses on the front. And you could certainly cut this one up for collage, or even fussy cut some of these roses out. I think that would be fun to use on some different things. And then another page here with her, this one's sitting at the desk and all torn papers down below. I thought that was really cute. And another page with a rose pattern on top there. And then the last one here has a picture of Romeo and Juliet there with some torn paper behind. And then this one has some burlap, and then there's a vintage illustration of some roses there. So that is the Letters of Verona kit. And then I also have an additional kit that is an add-on kit. And this one has mostly just ephemera and different types of ephemera that match with the Letters from Verona kit, the original kit, the main kit there. So you can see this one has a book cover for Romeo and Juliet. There's a menu here, just some little collage bits or journal cards here. There's a stereoscope here with a beautiful picture of an actress there. And then there is a envelope, a nice big envelope here. And there is a piece, this letter actually fits into that envelope when you cut it all out and fold it up there. And there's a little calling card here, and then some bits of lace down at the bottom there. A bingo card, and these are those full-size valentines that you saw in the other kit. And then just a little invoice here with some roses on there. And then there's another envelope here. This is a smaller envelope, and this little piece was made to kind of fit inside of there. A black and white fussy cut rose there. An ex libris, a small map of Verona, and then a Victorian calling card of her writing a letter. It says, "To the one I love." So I thought that was cute. And then I have some 2-inch circles here with some of the different patterns that match the kit, and then 2 different pockets that you could use inside of a journal here. And more note cards, journal cards. One looks like a letter. There's some from a book, some poetry from a Rose book, and then also some music there. And then some tags. There's at the bottom of the tags, there's these 4 labels that I have added to include pieces from the kit in, and then 3 tags that match sort of the roses and the pieces from the kit. And then the last page, there's that liquid India ink there in the pen that you could fussy cut. This is actually a picture of Juliet's house in Verona, an old picture of that. And then a newspaper clipping, a model love letter, and then some more ephemera and one more stereoscope from the marketplace in Verona, Italy. And so that is the add-on for the kit. And there's a main kit there as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching this today. I will put the link to the kit down below, or you could click on the information card that's, I think, right up here, or where are you? Right up here in the corner maybe, that you could go over and head over to see the kits. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.